everywhere you are for 2 minutes. Close your eyes, close your eyes. Take a deep breath. And listen to me. Nothing else is not hard. It doesn't take long time. It's just 2 minutes, okay? So listen to me, close your eyes, and just concentrate on your breathing. Concentrate on your exhaling, on your breathing, and nothing else is not hard, is not complicated. And if you have another thought, no problem, just move on your concentration, change your concentration, and focus on your breathing. Every day, when you do this practice, your mind is gonna be able to work just for yourself. Just for yourself. This is the whole purpose of doing meditation, of doing breath work, and it changes everything. When you understand your thoughts are created by your mind automatically, and when you are aware about that, you change everything. You change everything. Again, if your concentration is lost, just concentrate on your breathing. Okay, step by step, open your eyes. Open your eyes. As always, please save this feeling for yourself, for your environment. When you are aware, when you being aware, you change everything is happening in your environment. I love you. Goodbye.